Hello everyone. Now we are going to discuss the next questions of classifications of the game. Hello everyone, this is Akam Suman here, and now we are going to discuss the next questions. When the line of action of follower is parallel to the axis of rotation of the game, so the diagram would be like that. Only you can understand in that condition. I'm just drawing the rough diagram. So this is the axis of rotation of the game. This is the axis of rotation of the game. This is the axis of rotation of game, and there is a follower which is having the line of action which is parallel to the axis of rotation of game. Okay, so this is known as cylindrical game. According to the option C would be the correct answer for this question. Okay,